G'day guys, today we're going in the out to the reef for 7 hours in our new boat. We've never used it before, so we don't know if it works, and we're just hoping that it doesn't sink and it catches plenty of fish. We're just using some rods today with reef prawn. Time to get in the boat. Yeah. Oh, even the water! We can never see the bottom of St. Helens, so this was amazing weather. I couldn't believe we could see the bottom. It was just so cool. Hey, look! It's Carpet Snake Island.
Yeah.
Can I have some, John?
Go get alone. Very interesting taste. Tastes like if you got fucking piss and you rubbed it in sand. Oh, did you get the lemon? Get the lemon.
Absolute clear glass off. I couldn't believe it. That's our boat over there. Whoa. It's probably bigger than the boat. And flip us over. Whoa.
That's huge, man. Far out. Look at the size.
Oh my god. Whoa. Is that its head or tail?
Its head. Oh, look where the blowhole came.
This looks like it's beached. Whoa. Killer whale, maybe?
That's only half of it, eh?
Oh god. It's bigger than our boat.
That's only half of it. That's just the head to the middle fin. From the middle fin to the back tail again.
That was scary. So we went to this place called Lonely Rock. It's literally a lonely rock. It's kind of deep. So I found out 75.9% of you aren't subscribed. That's not very nice, so you should subscribe right now, or else. What? Oh, it's a
first fish.
Finally! First fish of you.
First fish. Fuck, you hit that hard.
That's what she said. Full fishing mode. We shall keep it. It's not even big enough.
Will be 28 centimeters.
Bye-bye.
There's more.
Where? Full fishing mode. So we moved to a different spot, a different island. It's pretty cool. You could see the bottom. It was so cool. Was that a fish?
That's what that bommy. No, it's
Oh.
probably someone's fucking lure or something.
Whoa.
I wonder if we should be on that side of it.
But that side's a lot shallower.
Drop hay?
That side's a lot shallower.
No, on the other side of it.
Caught a rock barrow. Oh, this spot's already serving wonders. It's pretty good. Oh, it's out. It's good. Oh, you bastard. Bye-bye! That looks pretty epic. The water was so clear I decided to put the GoPro under the water to see some fish. Then I decided to put the GoPro underwater at the back of the outboard. Who cares? It's fish. Is it one of those rock barragains? Yeah, you're supposed to get this out. Ah, crap. It's crap. What do you reckon it is? You're amazing! Oh, come on! It's a mackerel. What the actual fuck is that? Is that a mackerel or a barracuda? I don't know. Please tell me in the comments.
It wasn't mackerel, I think, or barracuda, I don't know.
What the fuck?
Is that your line too?
Yeah. Kind of weird. Did they after me? But this one's fat. Look at this blue eyes. It's 3.
Just.
Oh, I hooked him good. That went so far. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy your day and I hope you enjoyed this video.